Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be going over, does Huel actually taste good? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are on the fence of whether or not to actually try out Huel. Now I've been trying out Huel for well over 15 months now, and I must say that it actually does compare well in terms of taste compared to other protein powders or basically like mixable drinks. Now with Huel, I do have the Black Edition vanilla here. I've tried the strawberry, I've tried the chocolate, but with Huel though, unlike regular protein powder tends to get really clunky, and you know what I mean? Like even if you have a simple shaker bottle, the protein actually gets clunky and you need to be shaking it for a long time when it comes to actually breaking down those chunks and stuff. With Huel, it easily mixes in with water or unsweetened almond milk, and it tastes great. So I can only speak from experience with trying 3 different flavors, but with the chocolate flavor, that is my favorite flavor, and pretty much it tastes good. Okay, it's got 17 grams of fat, 42 grams or 40 grams of protein, and 24 grams of carbs. But with Huel though, I'd say you ought to try it, and if you haven't tried it out just yet, you can use my link down below in order to try it out for $15 off. But I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.